Whoa! Alright, cool. So, we did a little vote on Instagram to see what y'all think the surprise boxes from Adidas were, right? So, of course, you'll probably guessed it. It is a collaboration with Adidas and Arizona green tea. Here we have 3 boxes. This one is a Christmas gift. So just know that if you know me and I know you, I'm organizing Christmas gifts early this year, so you better be nice to me for the next 4 months. Yeah. Cool. So I have a small one, have a big one, and of course I have my Arizona. Alright, cool. So basically, yeah. Arizona, Adidas on the inside. Of course, they have the flowered print, just like on the cans, identical. Yeah, can't wait to try them on, get them on feet. And well, we have the same thing here. I don't even know if I should be unboxing this because this was a gift. Maybe I should not have held the box, but yeah, identical, matching, you know, matchy kind of stuff. I like those kind of things. Yeah. So yeah, tell me what y'all think, right? Is it what you were expecting? I know some people guessed Lost Tribe and Adidas. It'll be an interesting collab, but I don't think we reached there as yet. And a lot of people guessed Arizona green tea, so I guess we have a lot of Arizona fans like me. So yeah, so we're gonna try this on feet, see how it feels. I mean, first impressions, smells good. Definitely looks good, really bright. I think if I wear this out, people might think I'm playing for the other team, but I'm really secure and confident in myself, so I think I should be fine. Okay, getting them on feet.